After the wreck was cleaned up, Alexia was in the yard and she was upset. "What's wrong, Alexia?" asked Ida. "Mr. Cakester upset me because I'm not going to shunt cars there for the rest of the day because I'm upset." "Don't worry, Alexia," said Ida. "I'm sure you'll be okay." Before long, 100 cars were shunted into place, and Alexia steamed out of the yard. There were 100 freight cars. It was a lot. "Good luck with your journey," called Ida. Women engines very important. The guy in his log cabin was doing chores in the house, and the guard looked out of his brake van, and he looked down at New Michigan sheds. Then Alexia started to enjoy herself. At milepost 35, she learned to go slowly and carefully. "Here I go," Alexia said, and she steamed through the station. "Now I feel better," Alexia said. "I can pull gender and freight cars just as much as the men engines can." The passengers were waiting for an MBTA train to come in when Alexia blew her whistle and her ditch lamps blinked, and she approached the crossing, and she steamed through the station. The train was really long, but Alexia carried on. "It's beautiful in the mountains," Alexia said, "and I enjoy pulling freight cars like this." Then there was trouble. Glubsy, Mepty, and Siltsy came to a signal. They were furious. "I have a plan, and you're not in it because I'm swinging a golf club at the rails." "Oh, I love that," said Mepty. "So do I," said Siltsy. Meanwhile, Alexia was enjoying herself, but there was trouble. Ahead was Glubsy, Mepty, and Siltsy. "Coming through," Alexia said. Then there was trouble. "I'm sure I'll make it there on time," said Alexia. "I'm just gonna go off like explosives, because I'm gonna make this engine crash." They triggered me!" yelled Alexia. Her driver threw on the emergency brakes, but it was too late. Luckily, no one was hurt. But the freight cars were derailed, and Alexia turned on her side in front of Mepty. "I'm sorry about being furious," Mepty said Alexia. "Don't worry, Alexia," Mepty said. "I'm sorry we were evil." "That's okay," Alexia said. "Women engines like us can be useful." "It's never okay to steal money from the bank," said Mepty, because Siltsy is right. And then Glumsy was beyond repair. "Glubsy is beyond repair," Siltsy said. She was right. Alexia had suffered damage. "We'll be good from now on," said Siltsy. "Good idea, Siltsy," Mepty said. But Alexia was upset. She should not have been triggered by the points. "I shouldn't have made car engine noises," she said. "Don't worry," Mepty said. "I'm sure things will be okay." But Glubsy was way beyond repair and too damaged to fix. Before long, the wreck was cleaned up and Ida brought the 3 engines to the steamworks. "Thank you for saving us, Alexia said. "No problem, Alexia," Ida said. "I'm always willing to help out when engines are in trouble. I'm from Mexico, and Mexican Spanish is a different dialect from Spain Spanish." "I bet so," said Mepty. Then the 3 engines started to feel better. "Next time you have a derailment," Ida said, "I'll come help you." And even though how recent the accident was, it's best to hope that something like that is never repeated in the future.